So we just made it here. We are staying in Club Mahindra at Virajpet. The drive actually over here was absolutely phenomenal and tiring. Hello ma'am, thank you. Thank you so much. So the drive into Virajpet was crazy, it was nice. Hello. And wow, you guys need to see this. This is really beautiful. Look at that behind me. No network in this area as usual. But wow, the climate and the feel, and there's a view to die for. Look at this. That was a little welcome song for us, and I'm recording on the 5D Mark IV right now. This is the first time I'm actually vlogging on the 5D Mark IV, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So we're just done with check-in and now we're heading to our room. From the looks, the resort is so beautiful. I'm assuming the rooms are going to be kick-ass. Let's go. So the food over here, the buffet spread is lavish and it's really tasty. You guys have to come and stay over here if you're ever visiting Coorg. It's totally worth it. Flash डालना. Just made it to the room, and it's so hard to believe that that small little creature which was on the wall could make such a crazy sound. I mean nature nature is really something. I'm really tired. I'm going to end today's vlog on this note. Tomorrow we are headed to Coorg, but apparently the roads, if it rains heavily, then there's a good chance the roads are going to be shut and we're going to be stuck over here. Did I say we're heading to Coorg? I meant we are heading to Mysore. Tomorrow we are heading to Mysore. I hope all goes well and we don't get stuck over here. But a word of advice, if you do intend on coming to Coorg and you want to see the real beauty of Coorg, you need to stay in this resort. Club Mahindra, Vijaypet. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow.